We are going to review top 5 best heavy-duty grease. List number 1. Lucas Oil 14.5 ounce 10,301 heavy-duty grease. Lucas Extra heavy-duty grease is formulated for automotive, agricultural, heavy-duty, and industrial applications. It is virtually waterproof and is more stable than all conventional lithium grease. It is fortified with an extreme pressure additive package and it exceeds OEM lube for life specifications. Lasts 4 times longer than regular grease. Ultimate grease for high-speed bearings. List number 2. WD-40 Specialist Heavy-Duty Multi-Purpose Grease. WD-40 Specialist Superior Performance True Multi-Purpose Grease. 14 OZ long-lasting corrosion protection extends the life of your equipment. Outperforms in all 3 features: temperature, pressure, and water washout from independent lab test. Formulated with calcium sulfonate, OMX technology. It is interchangeable with other WD-40 Specialist greases without compromising performance through cross-contamination. Reliable at temperatures above 650 degF. It also provides marine-grade water resistance and protection against rust and corrosion. List number 3. TRIAX Atlas 600 Grease. Outstanding performance for virtually all applications: high-temp wheel bearings, disc brake wheel bearings, U-joints, couplings, severe service high loads, continuous water contact, and fifth wheels. Flawless operation in temperatures from 40°F up to 400°F for continuous operation. High dropping point of 550°F. Unmatched. High adhesion to metal components. Stays in place in the most extreme service, virtually waterproof. List number 4. VALVOLINE COBALT 1 Heavy-Duty Grease. VALVOLINE COBALT 1 Grease produces true heavy-duty performance with its unique breakthrough viscosity delivery system. With pressure-activated technology, Valvoline's Cobalt grease is capable of delivering ISO 1000 lubricating fluid to ensure EP protection and sufficient film thickness between even the heaviest loaded metal surfaces. Formulated to reduce friction and minimize thermal breakdown in the most extreme environments. List number 5. Valvoline Crimson 2 Heavy-Duty Grease. Valvoline's Crimson Grease. Red lithium 12-hydroxy is a tacky, extreme pressure lithium soap grease designed specifically for the commercial fleet environment. Formulated to stand up to a range of extreme operating environments and conditions, Crimson Grease provides excellent pumpability, lubrication, and protection while withstanding extreme temperatures and load stresses, and deliver outstanding resistance to water washout.